Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Mark 18. So this one has got the CTR stock conversion, the Magpul CTR stock, hollowed for a 1300 7.4 volt battery. We've also got a level 10 kit installed, which is the FPS spring. So we've got the two spaces with that one to bring that up a bit. We've got the Prometheus 6mm bearings. We've got the 20:1 Prometheus gears. We've got the EagleSix upgraded recoil spring, FPS spring guide, FPS piston head, FPS piston. We've got the FPS cylinder head, FPS stainless steel cylinder. We've got the Prometheus air nozzle, Prometheus tappet plate, uno momento. We've got the Ladax hard metal selector plate. We've got the Lonex spiral bevel. That's installed onto the Solink V5 adjustable, the 46K, which has been reduced in rounds per second for obviously the recoil platform, so around about 31K. We've got the Jeftron Leviathan MOSFET system. We've got the Prometheus wide cut barrel, 280mm, obviously combined with the Cyanic RHOP kit, number 7 kit, and we've fit the PTS EPG grip. Yeah, just overall, obviously it's a popular look, sort of Magpul stock, coloured FD grip. Obviously the dark Mark 18 rail that TM offers here. So I wouldn't describe it as a bronze, I'd describe it as like a sort of a burnt dark look. So yeah, it's good. Obviously we fit the Ladax trigger pin on the side here, and that's pretty much covers the full build. So we just want to demo it on single shots first, just to make sure it's all working. So obviously that fast trigger response we're going for, obviously that snappy recoil, just sort of feels a bit more sort of like it's a snappy kick to it. That all comes on the single shot, which obviously most people are using on these Milton platforms. Rate of fire, high, obviously performance build. There we go. So all tested and working. We hope you enjoy. It's a lovely build. Thank you.